How to put two videos side by side like this for YouTube, like this for Instagram Reels and TikTok, and lastly, like this if you wanted to screen share. Now don't worry, you don't need Premiere Pro for this as we'll be using VEED, and I've popped the link down in the description for you to get started. Now we're in VEED, click upload a file and choose your first video, and you're just going to give that a moment here to upload. And once it's uploaded, we can change the size of our video to fit YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. The choice is yours. I'm going to create mine for YouTube, but if you did decide to choose TikTok, don't worry, the rest of the tutorial is exactly the same. So we have these corner and side toggles. You're just going to push them in to crop your video size, then click, hold and drag your video over to one side of the frame. Now click add media above the timeline, click upload a file and choose your second video, and you're just going to give that a moment here to upload. And if it's too long, just push it over in the timeline so both videos end in sync. Now, just the same as before, you're going to use those corner toggles to resize it and move it over to the other side of the frame. And you can have both your clips touching, or you can choose to leave a gap between them. And if you wanted to change the color of the gap, just click settings and then click on the color bucket beside background. You can choose any color you like, or you can pick up the dropper tool and choose a color from your video so that it matches. Lastly, if your videos have audio and you want to turn it off, just select your video in the timeline, and then under audio you can switch it off. And that's how to put two videos side by side, but let's take it up a notch. We're going to style our side by side video to make it more visually appealing. Now the first thing we can do is add a title. So you're going to put your playhead here to the very beginning of your timeline, and then you're going to click text in the toolbar. In here we have some animated text templates, so we're going to go ahead and choose one of those, and now we'll play it to see how it looks. To change the text, just click on the very first text layer in the timeline to open up the text panel. Now we can delete what's in there and type out whatever it is we want it to say. And we can also change the text size and color, and then you're just going to repeat the same thing for the remaining text layers. Now I actually like the position of my text, but if you did want to change it, just highlight all your text layers and then you can drag that over to another part of the screen. Next, we're going to add animated subtitles here. So a lot of people use these side-by-side videos for podcasts, and adding subtitles is going to make it easier for your audience to follow along. So just click subtitles here in the left toolbar, click auto subtitle, choose your language and click create subtitles. And just give that a moment here to transcribe all of our audio. And once it's done, you're just going to watch it back just to make sure all your subtitles are correct. And if it has misheard any words you've said, all you got to do is click on the word that's wrong, delete it and type out the correct word. And then once that's done, we can click on the Styles tab. In here, we can change the font, the size, the text color, the effect color. We can click on effect, choose one of those, and then go back and click on animation. You can hover your mouse over each one here to see how it works, and then choose your favorite. We can now go ahead and export our video, so just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings, make sure burn subtitles is marked as on and click export video. Now give that a moment here to render, and once it's finished, watch it all the way through just to make sure you're happy with it, and then you can go ahead and click download and download MP4. The very last trick for putting two videos side by side is screen sharing, so we're going to use VEED Live. To do this, just click the second link down in the description. Click Show Me the Studio, type in your name, click on the settings button and choose your preferred camera and mic option. Then click Enter Studio. If you do want to learn how to design your video layout, I'm going to pop my video for that on screen now. To share our screen so that our videos are side by side, click Share Screen above the video, then choose whether you want to share your entire screen, a window or a Chrome tab. You'll see it appear now under your video, so click Add to Stream. Then you're going to head over to the left toolbar and click Layouts, and you can choose the Cover or Contain option to have both videos side by side. When you're ready to begin filming, click Start Recording and begin your video. Hi guys, it's Lauren here from VEED, and in this video we're going to be talking all things Lisbon. Once you've finished, click End Recording, and then you'll see a pop-up for Open Recording. Click on that. Now we have the option to open it in the editor, or we can add text and subtitles like we did in the previous chapter, or if you're happy with how it looks, you can click Download. And that's it. That's how to make a split screen video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!